Hello and welcome back to Nicole's DIY. I hope everybody is doing great. Today I'm participating in Christmas in July DIY. It's a collaboration with Life with London and Creations by Simone. Life with London has an amazing channel. She does family vlogging. She has wonderful recipes on there, great cleaning tips. She does shopping and hauls, and I encourage you to check her out. I think you'll be very excited that you did. Please check out Creations by Simone as well. She has a wonderful channel. She has really great keto recipes on there that I think you'll really enjoy. She has amazing DIYs, and I'm learning a lot from her myself. So please check her out as well. Okay, and so what am I up to today? Well, I am making fabric foam board Christmas trees that I found on YouTube, and I wanted to see if I could make them. So I'm cutting out a Christmas tree, and I'm actually using Christmas wrapping paper. I wanted a large tree. Now you can use any size paper, but this is what I chose because I just wanted it to be a little bit larger. So I'm measuring out 2 boards, and it's going to create a channel so that the trees will interlock each other. And so I'm just measuring, cutting right there, and then I'm going to cut out with my X-Acto knife and cutting out the tree out of the board. You will need to make 4 of these trees. So what I'm doing is cutting out 2 trees to have the exact same channel. And then we're going to flip it, and at the top of the trees we're going to create 2 channels, one on each individual tree top. And this will help the trees, and this will cause the trees to interlock and give you that beautiful Christmas tree look. So I'm measuring a little bit more than 2 foam boards so that there will be plenty of room for the fabric once you put the tree together. So I'll be flipping around the tree and using the bottom as a guide to cut the top. And you go evenly with the tree top and the bottom of the tree, and then you just scoop out your channels with your X-Acto knife. Now to see if it worked. I'm going to put the bottom to the top, and there it is. It worked. So I'm just cutting out around the tree, and I'll be cutting out 4 of these. And then around the edges, you want it to be about a ½ an inch, maybe even an inch if you want. Now I'm going to go ahead and spray the adhesive on the foam board. And then I'm going to take the back side of the fabric that is flat, and I'm going to adhere it to it by just placing it over it and rubbing it down. Give it a good pat. So you notice on the fabric I cut down that channel, and that's so the seams of the board, the fabric's going to go right in the middle, and you're going to put some hot glue in there on the seams. No one's going to see it because it's going to be on the back, just like that. And you're going to do that 4 times to each board. And I'm using my scissors to help push through the seams of the fabric. Now once we're done cutting off the little tags and stuff, there are little extras hanging off, we're going to go ahead and put back to back each board. So you're going to put the bottoms together, and then you're going to put the tops together. I did make a second tree, and this one is very special. It has got the scenery of the lambs in the barn and the beautiful snow. and the cardinals and the trees, and it's just beautiful. And it has Psalm 23:1 on there. The Lord is my shepherd. How beautiful, how fitting for this season coming up. So now what I'm going to do is add decorative tacks. And I got them at Hobby Lobby in the fabric department. And you use them for upholstery or whatever you choose to use them for. And they have beautiful gems in them. I just thought they were really pretty. So on each tree limb, I'm going to add a few of these tacks. Just like that, they push in between the tree limbs. And if it's too loose, go ahead and put a little glue. The decorating possibilities are endless with these pretty little trees, y'all. You could use battery-operated lights on here, gemstones, pretty little bows, ribbons, tiny little ornaments, endless. Whatever you choose. I thank you so much for watching my videos, friends. Thank you, subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. I ask that you would like this video, share it, and I just want to say thank you one more time. You are all just beautiful and amazing. So until next time, y'all be blessed.